Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Forever. You are watching the best and trendy collections of transparent vinyl rainwear dresses. Dear friends, I hope you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God. Dear friends, my video see till the end because next you can see much more collections of transparent vinyl rainwear dresses. Dear friends, these raincoats are very beautiful and charming colors, specially made for rainy season, completely waterproof and windproof. Excellent romantic hooded raincoats. Dear friends, I hope you will like my video and enjoy my video. So I request you please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Pressing for bell icon, you can get my new uploading video notification first. Dear friends, these raincoats are very beautiful and charming colors. Dear friends, my video is to be end. Goodbye till the next attractive video. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Be careful.